Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic that's been making waves across both the crypto and environmental spaces, Bitcoin and energy. Now, we've all heard criticism about Bitcoin mining being bad for the environment. But what if I told you Bitcoin might actually help solve some of the global energy problems we're facing today? Yeah, it sounds wild, but stick with me because I'm going to show you how Bitcoin mining could change the energy game in ways you've never imagined. Plus, I'll break down how this shift presents a golden opportunity for investors to tap into the next wave of innovation in both the crypto and energy sectors. So let's dive right into it. Now, let's start with the concept of energy wastage. Did you know that a lot of energy we produce around the world just goes to waste? For example, in oil fields, natural gas is often just burned off as flare gas because it's not economical to transport it. Wind farms sometimes produce more energy than grids can handle, and all of that excess gets wasted. Here's where Bitcoin mining steps in. It can capture this wasted energy and turn it into productive use. Bitcoin miners are mobile and they can set up shop anywhere where there's excess energy. A perfect example is mining operations that use flare gas. They take energy that would otherwise just pollute the atmosphere and put it to work in securing the Bitcoin network. For investors, this presents a unique opportunity. Companies leading the charge in sustainable Bitcoin mining are positioned to benefit from this energy optimization. By supporting and investing in these mining companies, or even directly investing in Bitcoin, you're not just part of the digital currency revolution, you're actually supporting innovative solutions to real world problems. This synergy between environmental impact and profitable investment is what makes Bitcoin mining so exciting from an investor's standpoint. Next up, let's talk about grid stability. Power grids face a major challenge. How do you balance supply and demand in real time? When you're dealing with renewable energy like solar or wind, production doesn't always line up perfectly with when people need electricity. That's where Bitcoin mining comes in. Miners can act as a demand response tool, meaning they can turn on and off quickly to absorb excess energy when demand is low. This keeps the grid stable and prevents the overproduction losses. In essence, Bitcoin mining helps balance the system, reducing the strain on the grid while also making renewable energy sources more economically viable. For investors, this stability is key. As Bitcoin mining becomes integrated with energy grids, it creates a profitable ecosystem for Bitcoin and related mining companies. Investing in these companies could mean you're tapping into a future where Bitcoin is not just a digital asset, but a critical infrastructure player. And for those holding Bitcoin, the integration of mining with energy grids adds another layer of stability to its long-term value, making it even more attractive asset to hold. Another overlooked benefit of Bitcoin mining is how it can decentralize energy production. Because mining can happen literally anywhere, operations can be set up in remote areas where renewable energy sources like wind or hydro are abundant. Now, this cuts down on the need for massive centralized power plants. Imagine this: a small village with a microgrid running on solar energy can mine Bitcoin when it has excess power, bringing additional revenue to support their energy system. Now, this makes energy more resilient, more decentralized, and less reliant on big, inefficient power grids. For investors, decentralization is a major win. It allows Bitcoin mining companies to set up low-cost operations even in remote areas, increasing profitability while reducing operational costs. This opens up investment opportunities not only in Bitcoin itself, but also in the renewable energy mining projects that will lead this next wave of decentralized power. By investing in these pioneering ventures, you're getting ahead of the curve in a space that's poised for massive growth as energy decentralization becomes more critical. These companies are turning what once one of the coolest innovations in Bitcoin mining is its ability to turn pollution into power. In oil fields around the world, flare gas, natural gas that's a byproduct of oil extraction, gets burned off because it's too costly to transport. This not only wastes energy, but also emits tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Enter Bitcoin miners. They can set up mining rigs in these fields and use that flare gas to power their operations. It's a double win, reducing emissions on the one hand and putting that energy to use on the other. This is one of the most exciting ways Bitcoin mining is solving a real-world environmental problem while also contributing to the Bitcoin network. For Bitcoiners and investors, this development is huge. By backing mining companies that are innovating with flare gas, you're not just investing in Bitcoin, you're investing in a solution to energy inefficiency and pollution, a wasted resource into a profitable venture. Plus, as governments push for greener initiatives, these operations would only become more profitable, making them a great investment opportunity moving forward. And finally, let's look into the future. Bitcoin mining powered by renewables. As more people criticize Bitcoin for its energy use, mining operations are increasingly shifted toward green energy. Already, a significant percentage of mining is powered by renewables like hydro, solar, and wind. In the future, Bitcoin miners could play a key role in funding renewable infrastructure, further incentivizing the move toward a greener, more sustainable energy system. For those investing in Bitcoin or in the mining sector, this shift towards renewables means you're not only investing in digital assets, but also in the future of energy. As Bitcoin mining drives demand for renewable energy infrastructure, the companies leading this charge stand to benefit greatly. This makes mining firms using sustainable energy highly attractive to investors who are focused on long-term growth and environmental responsibility. For Bitcoin holders, this also secures the longevity and sustainability of the asset as Bitcoin becomes more aligned with global green energy goals. There you have it. Bitcoin mining isn't just about securing the network, it's about solving real-world energy challenges. From capturing wasted energy and stabilizing grids to support the transition to renewable energy, Bitcoin mining could play a massive role in the future of power production. And for those looking to invest, this represents an incredible opportunity. By supporting sustainable mining practices or even holding Bitcoin itself, you're not only betting on a revolutionary asset, but you're also backing innovative solutions for energy efficiency. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.